Alright guys, so right behind me is the brand new bucket that came with the Kubota, and for some stupid reason they didn't put chain hooks on it. So we are going to put some on there. I'm going to grind off some of this fresh powder coat and weld her up. Alright, I have used this with the chain already. As you see, you kind of have a lip underneath here that this can go underneath, but there's nothing keeping it from sliding back and forth. So when I had this on the tractor, I marked out where the end line of the loader is, and this here is a weld-on chain hook that I bought off of Amazon, pack of 4 for like 20 bucks or something like that. Go on the right there. It's pre-beveled for welding. We will find the center there, grind off some paint, and put her on there. So managed to misplace my magnetic angle. So next best thing is a piece of angle iron and a C-clamp. Same thing, you know. Probably can't see it there on the camera, but I put a center punch mark where the line was, so when I ground it down, I still see it. And we'll make sure this is square.
Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Man.
I know it doesn't need to be perfect, but hey, why not? Alright. Go ahead and tack her up. Beautiful. Alright, that one's done. Move her to the other side, buzz it in, and then show you about painting her up. Not to brag, but I'm pretty happy with that weld. Just clean this up a little bit, and then we'll shoot some primer and then paint on it. All painted up. Looks like a factory job. Actually, you look at those factory welds, man, those look like better than factory. Paint blends in pretty well. There's a slight discoloration mark, but over time it will fade out and blend in.